Hi crafty folks, welcome back to my channel. I went to Joann's today. I got some fabric, and I know that fabric shopping can be a little intimidating for people who are new to sewing, so I wanted to go over the fabrics that I got and show you guys how to get quite a lot of fabric for not that much money. So the first tip that I have about this is check out the Remnants bin. If you're making something like Christmas ornaments or zipper pouches or something like that, you can often get away with like a third of a yard or half a yard or whatever. So Remnants is when at the end of a bolt, which is the roll of fabric, at the end of the bolt, if there's a yard or less of fabric left, then they don't wrap it back around the bolt and put it on the shelf. They just take it and they wrap it. This is at Joann's specifically. And they put it in this bin called the Remnants bin, or like in some Joann's, it's these little wire shelves. So all the fabric in there, as of right now, is 50% off of the marked price or its sale price. So let me show you what I mean. Okay, so this is a fleece fabric that's slightly more than a yard, and it was originally gonna be $16.23 for this cut of fabric. And then this was all that was left on the roll, so they threw it in the Remnants bin. So then it's marked 50% off of that price. However, I think this fabric was also marked down like 30% off the original price. So then the Remnants, you still get 50% off, but it's 50% off of whatever the sale price is. So this entire yard of this adorable fabric was like somewhere around $6. So that's one of the first things that I got. So this, I could make an adorable lap blanket with it. I could make some scarves for gifts. I'm probably going to make something that I get to keep because I really like it. You can make like fleece boot liners with it. So there's a lot of options with that kind of fabric. Okay, here's another fabric that I got in the Remnants bin. So this is 0.72 yards. So a yard is 36 inches. So 0.72 is probably 24 inches. Anyway, so it's marked down to $7.21. So I got it for half of that. So I got this adorable quilting cotton. It's less than a yard, but you know, there's a lot that you can do with less than a yard. So it's a decent cut of fabric for like $3. I mean, that's crazy. So Remnants is where it's at, especially if you don't like have a project in mind, and especially if you like doing smaller projects, which I do. I like doing zipper pouches and stuff like that. I mean, I was thinking about making something with this for my sister-in-law, so maybe I'll make like some cloth like trivets for putting hot dishes on the dining room table or whatever. So that was a super fabulous price. Okay, this next one is a Christmas fabric. I always buy Christmas fabric, but I haven't really bought any this year just because like I feel like I need to use up some of the Christmas fabric that I bought in the last couple of years. But this was so adorable. So this is about 14 inches and this cost $2.50. So it's 14 inches long, and then the width is 44 inches. So there's plenty that I can make with that. I could do some like coasters, or I could quilt it with some other, you know, matching type fabrics and make something out of it. And then this last one was sort of like something I purchased on a whim. Okay, so it's a polyester fabric, and it feels kind of like a faux fur, and it's like cheetah print. So it was originally $14.99 per yard, and it's a whole yard, and it's 58 inches wide. So my original thought was was that I could make scarves out of it. Because look at it, it's so cute. So instead of paying $15 for this, I got it for $7.50. Plus, I think I got a coupon. I think I was able to also use an additional coupon. But wouldn't this be like a really cute scarf? I was thinking about cutting the yard in half and using it as a thinner sort of infinity scarf. So that would be really cute. Okay, so those are my remnant fabrics that I bought. And I think that's the best way to buy fabric if you're like super new and you just want to do like a bunch of small projects. If you want to make like large things, like pants and shirts and things like that, you're going to have to get more than a yard. So it won't work to just shop the remnants. But it's a good way to like try out a bunch of different fabrics, try some projects. If they don't turn out, it's not a big deal. The fabric wasn't expensive. So I highly suggest remnant shopping. And then these fabrics, these were on sale. They were about 10 bucks a yard. And then I think I got an additional 20% off. So about 8 bucks a yard. And my kid loves PJ Masks. So I got a yard of this and a yard of this. He also loves Paw Patrol, and a yard of this. And I figure I'll just make like, maybe I'll make some zipper pouches. I make a lot of zipper pouches. I really like them. Or maybe I'll make him like a little, you know, reusable sort of bag or something like that. Anyway, that's my fabric haul for the day. So these three, I think, were about 24 bucks plus tax for all three of these yards. And then my remnant fabric, I think I paid a total of like 13 bucks for all that remnant fabric. So it was super affordable. And now I have to come up with like some projects to make these things into. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Okay, bye.